Oh, it's thick. She's on it. There we go. It's coming this way. Hold on. You ready? There it is. Coming your way towards the front of the house. She's on it. Towards the front yard. She's got it. Atta girl. Good girl. All I saw is a rabbit flying. Oh, here's a bunny hole.
Wait where we can see down a couple trails. You guys want to do this?
Sure. There it goes. Get it. Oh. Connor, coming to you. Coming to you, Connor. Oh, Bella's got another one. He just took off to the right.
That's why. You were right, Grandpa. Yeah.
I saw one take off to the right too.
Going that way. There's a way over here somewhere.
Okay. One's coming your way! One's coming down! Come on, Belle! Over here! Over here! It's coming your way! Belle, over here! Come here! It's over here! Come on! You stuck? It's over here! Yeah, you're stuck. It's over here! Come on! Coming down your way, guys! Got it. Oh, there's a second one in here. But she got one out of here. Oh, there's a hole. Oh, there's a hole in there. I see you. Hold on. I see. Missy. Missy. Get ready. All right, let's go. Come on. You get one? Nice. Where do you run from, or where do you come from? Which way?
From the house.
Ah. Run up, if you want to keep moving. Oh, there you go. Sweet, I'll grab him. If you want to move up towards the house, I'll try to get Bella to push it.
Okay.
Come here, Bella. Come on. Come here. Come here, look. Come here, over here. Over here. Over here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Look. Come here. Come here, look. Look. Come here. Hey. Hey. Look. Come here, look. Look, come here, look. Right here. Right here, come on. Get it. Come here. She's like, that one's dead already. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. What is that? What is that? Ah, good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. All right, let's go find another one. Come on. Let's push. Come on, let's go.